trading channel. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Quickly, I just want to show you my bias for the new week. And this was what happened, I think, on Friday. We lost the trade, okay, because um, because of liquidity sweep. Right, there were a lot of orders around here, and so there had to be a liquidity sweep. In other words, SMC traders can say is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. All right, so that's that. Secondly, let's just analyze this market. Let's see what we're expecting for the new week, hopefully. So join me on this journey. Quickly, we'll come to the weekly time frame. All right, so this is what we have on the weekly time frame. I think I have to expand this real good. So on the weekly time frame, we have this bearish rejection candle. All right. Okay, so let's see what we have using OHLC, and OHLC means open high, low close, just like you can see it on the screen. So our low is 3959.778. Going to highlight that right now. Permit me to use 395. Oh, I think I misplaced the digits. I will check that right now. So let me just do more of the work and let's talk. So just join me while I do this quickly. All right. So I'm just trying to analyze this particular candle for the previous week, using it to analyze what's going to happen in the new week. So we have 4119.600, 4119.600. So, so we have this. I think I can color it right. And this one, 3959.778, 3959.778. So I think I'm accurate now. Take our vertical line and we involve year. So we quickly come down to the time frames lower by. Okay, now on the daily time frame, you could see we have this little break of structure, though it doesn't, it's not that visible, but it is. There's a little break of structure right here, and we have this other block still waiting. Now you can see price is going to mitigate it, so it can continue on the downtrend. So let's come to the 4 hour time frame to see how clear it can be. Now this is how it looks. All right. So this is what we have right here. We have let's say a little more of downtrend, and okay, we have some areas, or should I say some zones. We're expecting price to come and take some orders from. So basically, you could see we have this pullback and this distribution right here that gave this downtrend. So what are we expecting? We're expecting price to give a bullish gap at the beginning of the market. Okay, in few hours from now, we're expecting a bullish gap, and it should end somewhere around here. So we can go in for a sell. All right. So let me come to 1 hour time frame for clarity. So we're expecting a bullish gap, which may sweep this point. All right. And once it sweeps this point, SMC traders can call it change of character. But this is where we're expecting our next sell from. So once this market pushes with a bullish gap, we're expecting a sell from this angle. Now, why am I expecting a sell from this angle? Because I am an MSNR trader. And because I am an MSNR trader, I am expecting a sell from this point. All right. So MSNR traders can relate to what I'm saying. Or should I say advanced price action traders, which is the APA traders. They can understand what I'm saying more better. All right. So this is where we're likely expecting our next entry to come from. All right, so we are going in for a shot from this angle, putting our stop loss here, and we are aiming this. So you too can also get this 1:7. All right, or you can go in for a buy if you're lucky to go in as early as possible, or else you can always wait for your entry. Just like I always tell everybody, wait for your entry, respect your decision. If it fails, fine. If it works, fine. All right. So until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.